Things that narcissists do when they're confronted. Number one is deny, deny, deny. It's a good thing to remember that the core of the narcissistic personality disorder is a core of no. It's a core of denial. It was developed in an environment where the child was so traumatized that they couldn't accept what was happening to them. And as a survival strategy, they learned to push reality, push facts, push data away and exchange it for their delusional fantasy version of themselves and of reality. So the first thing that will always be done is deny. The second thing that will happen when you confront a narcissist, the second stage, will be to attack. Why would they attack? Well, if you look at the CPTSD model, as outlined by Pete Walker, of what narcissistic personality disorder is, this is a fight, aggression, fawn, submission response. Where's the submission? The submission is in the fact that they're charming, they can be giving, they actually can be quite codependent and can seem to be people pleasers, but then they switch, then they become aggressive and they attack. Why do they attack? Because they've learned from a very, very early age that attack is the best form of offense. So when they're presented with the facts of what they have done, that absolutely is seen through their perceptual filters as, I'm being attacked. It's not just that people are stating that water is wet and the sky is blue. No. I did not yet decree that water is wet and the sky is blue. So therefore this is an attack. An attack, because of the fragility of the narcissist's boundaries and the scarcity, the paucity of their boundaries, they see it not just as an attack on their false self, but as an attack on them in their essence as a human being.